Hello, students. Today, we are going to study regarding bookmarking, and aggregating and allocation and social media. So I hope you have written the assignment, okay, of last. So obviously, for that there will be a marks. So what is bookmarking and what is aggregating? Okay, and what is how we use this in our social media to get benefit, and how we can use it as an advertising or marketing tool. Okay, so bookmarking and aggregating. So here what we do is sharing things and what you like. Okay, when you like something, then you share it. So that is all bookmarking. So if there are websites that you visit often or that you would like to keep as a reference to come back to, it is easy to use your browser to bookmark. Okay, you might have bookmarked if you're a user of laptop or computers. So you might have bookmarked them. Okay, it will be shown. So this means that you store URL, that is uniform resource locator, so that you can locate it again easily. It also gives you a personal library, okay, of websites that you can store on your computer. That is available, will be there. Okay, that you bookmark it on your tab. The social bookmarking sites, so however, allow you to store these links online, what you are storing on the tab. So use tags to describe them and share these list with other users. So some of these sites let you submit URLs that other users vote on, while others allow you to use the saved tags to browse through the list and libraries that have been generated. So that you can do with the use of the social bookmarking. Okay. So next, websites that want to encourage users to submit content to bookmarking and aggregating sites use chiclets. Okay. So these are buttons placed around the content that make it easier to submit and share the articles. Okay. If you have anytime used the blog, there you can understand this, how you can publish your article. If you create your account, then you can put it and you can publish it or submit it or share the articles that is easily available. Okay, so these services allow you to see what the community of web user finds useful, interesting, or humorous. Same thing happen on your social media network also. If you like something, then you share it. Okay, so that is how. And same thing happens with the YouTube. Whatever video you like, you share it. Even Insta, Pinterest, you share so many things. Okay, so here the community of web users finds useful. It is useful for someone which can be helped and very interesting kind of thing, or even humorous. Most of you prefer humorous. So here you are able to find other users with similar interest to yours and explore websites that they have found that you might not have come across yet. Okay, that you can check it and you can go through it and you can enjoy those things. So social bookmarking allows like-minded people. Okay, for example, you are liking some recipe kind of thing. Okay, you are a cook or you want cooking is your hobby or chef. Then you will prefer those. Or you are a football player, you will prefer that. Or you are a coding person who code. Okay, that is again different aspect. So same way, what you like. Okay, sometimes you like this what you call singing, or you like some old songs or something or other, you like it. So like-minded people share interesting and relevant content with one another easily, that will be shared on the platform. So it can also be an excellent tool for members of a company or organization to earmark relevant websites and articles. So there are some websites, some of you are cooking expert here may know this. There are websites where you can create your account and you can publish your recipe and you will get the rating for it. So after cooking anybody, they will come and if the taste is good, they will rate your recipe. So if your recipe rate is higher, you will be searched. And same thing if you want to cook something, so that is also available there. Okay, so those you might have experienced. Some of you might have experienced this. Content submitted to a social bookmarking or aggregating site can dramatically increase traffic. Yes, it will increase a huge traffic to a website. Give me a So this helps you to drag more and more traffic. Okay, websites and expose site to many new eyeballs. Okay, people will look for this, and you all also look for this. Okay, you might like, for example, you are a person who looks for always a code or cheat something, then you will go there. You like cooking recipe, you go there. You want to study some material, you will go there. And how this is come through even bookmarking. People who like it, who shares it, so obviously from there so many people start watching it, so traffic will be coming from that side also, which increase the traffic to the website which you are going for. Next, what is social bookmarking? So social bookmarking is the process of saving a specific web page to a social bookmarking platform. So there are huge platforms are available. So where you can save this. Okay, you can bookmark it. Okay, web page you can bookmark. So you can revisit it later. So social bookmarking site allow user to access their bookmarks online at any time from any devices. You can access it. So social bookmarking sites are useful to marketers because users can add, annotate, and share bookmark web pages with their teams also. But because of this, the traffic increases. The bookmarks can be public. Okay, you can use it as public, private. You have to register yourself, then it will be available. So sometimes no need to register. Put your information, you can access it easily. You can, otherwise, you have to create an account or shared with the specific groups only who can access it. Social bookmarking sites can also be used like social search engines also. Okay, so you can search there and you will get it. The inside the page you can search it. So you can search and browse to see popular and recently added web pages. Even you like images, photography, frames, this, that, everything is available. Users can comment and vote for web pages they like wherever in that particular bookmarking page, making it easy to see what articles are most valuable. That also you can do that in the particular social bookmarking page. Now, bookmarking and aggregating as a marketing tool. How we can use this? So seeing how users categorize your content will give you an idea of how your website and company are pursued by your audience. The most important role is content. So last yesterday I gave you an assignment. Okay, that is regarding social networking and content creation. How it is important, the creation of content, in especially social media profit platform. Okay, so here your content will give you an idea of how your websites and company are pursued by your audience, how they pursue. It might be remarkable different from how you think to they see you. So look at other websites that are tagged like yours. You might find new competitors and new ideas also. So you can also bring up the new things in your bookmarking page or social marketing. So you can also use these services to share what the URLs your company finds interesting. So this can be useful resource to add to an online press room as well as an utility that fantastic of your company would get really excited. So these things, and you can use it as a marketing tool in bookmarking and aggregating. So next, to create a link and traffic, investigate what sort of content your target audience loves voting for and create that content. How much they like it, what they are looking for. So obviously, a simple thing I will tell you: if you are having a marketing page, okay, and you are into some Ayurvedic or some producers. So people in present day, they are searching for what they like most as a present situation is immunity booster they are looking for. So this is the content at the present time which you can create it. Okay. So a word of warning, never submit content and then vote yourself. That is not good choice. It's one surefire way to incur the wrath of these communities. And next, organic growth is the only way to succeed here. Okay, because what likes that will be getting. So it might take a time as you build your reputation and worth among the community. But the end result can be very worthwhile because you have to struggle at every stage when you are going for organic. So as a content provider, make sure you have the appropriate chicklets added to your content to make it easier to share in that particular platform. Okay, for example, if I say just an example, so I think Maggie came up to send you a recipe. Okay, so in to give me your recipe, we will publish it on the behind the package and all. Okay, then we will even provide the video also. So that is one type of you can say the uh, marketing side, but just an example, not exactly the same thing you can be done with the internet. So which are the social bookmarking sites? So these seven are one of the famous. Okay, Pocket, Dig, Pinterest, Mix, Scoopit, Medium, Slashshot, Slashdot. So some example I have taken, not all. Okay, so in that I can take in Pinterest because you are very well versed with. So it is free of course. So Pinterest is a social media network that operate like a social bookmarking site. So what you can do here, you can create boards and save content. Okay, that is called pinning. Pinning is available there. You can, if I think most of you have gone there, Pinterest, so you can come to know this. To come back to later. For example, if you are getting married, you can have wedding here. So board and save pins that you find for different hairstyles so that you can go for. So a unique feature with Pinterest is that they collaborate directly with the sellers. So you can buy the products you can find directly through Pinterest. I will tell you one thing you can do. Just go there and in Pinterest and check out the cards. Okay, the visiting cards or business cards. You just check it, and also you can check out some pen available. Okay, where your logo is printed. How many you would like to order? You can just check it. Okay, you can try also. So users enjoy Pinterest because they can save content and ideas for parties, events, recipes, and gifts. So this is regarding the Pinterest. So where the platform is available as a bookmarking site, so that is directly contact towards the seller who is going to do that. So this is one example I have taken. Now, how to use social bookmarking site? Yeah, first important is content curation. As a marketer, especially in social media, one of your duty is to curate content to share with your audience. So obviously, people look to your brand, resource, and expertise in your industry. Obviously, they look into that. So with a social bookmarking site, you can save articles or resources you find online. So you never run out of content you share with your audience because everything is available at one place. The social bookmarking saves times and gives the ability to schedule content ahead of the time. Below is the example you can see. So Fathead Pizza and these are all Casserole Pizza and all the available are there at a particular Pinterest. Okay. So you can invite, you like it, you can, that is available. That is an example. Next is organize and save resources. So a benefit of social bookmarking site is that you can organize and save content that you want to revisit later. Okay, you can save them, you can pin them. As a marketer, it is important to keep track of resources that help you to develop professionally, because whatever interest the other side is showing, so you should know that tracking. So using a site where you can keep these resources organized is helpful, so you won't lose valuable content because you are pinning it. Tag content, yes, with most social bookmarking site nowadays, everyone go for tag content, meaning you can label it. For example, there is a blog post that is about YouTube SEO strategies. So you can tag that content as YouTube. Hash, okay, hash we use it. So hash this, hash dash, hash that. You all use this. I hope you all know this hash. Okay, whatever you publish, you use hash. That is easily tagging. Okay. Then when you want to go back and look for the article for you need resources for YouTube, you have a section in your social bookmarking account tagged to YouTube. So this keeps the resources you save organized and readily available. Fourth is share resources. So another way to use social bookmarking tool is to share content with your team. You can share. That is the best option. That is the because increasing the traffic also. So as a marketer, if you find an article about social media strategy, you can tag the content as social media. Okay, so your social media team can find it easily. Plus, if everyone on your team has access to the social bookmarking site, they can regularly check into find the resources they need. So this helpful for employees to continue developing their career and also share things they learn with their colleagues. So the new aspects, new things comes in the organization. So that can be shared so they can learn, which will be the development of the colleagues also, and they also can learn. If you see the example, this is an example in Pocket. You can tag content on the left hand side of your profile. You can click the tags category to pull up a specific article. You can see the below the last one, that is the tags. Building backlinks. So social bookmarking sites can great addition to your link building strategy. So you can provide a link behind it. So you can use your profile to bookmark resources on your websites. However, you shouldn't only add bookmarks to your site. Use social bookmarking as you normally would. Okay, that is the better way to get more traffic. So bookmarking other resources you can come across, but sprinkle it post or two from your own site also. That is also required. While social bookmarking should be your sole link building strategy. So it can round out your current strategy. Okay, that has to be build backlink. That is important role. Promote your mentions beside bookmarking articles on your own site. You can also use social bookmarking to link to articles or a blog post which I mentioned. Okay, that company. So, however, social bookmarking profile should contain a variety of self promotion versus unbranded content also. So next is the drive traffic to your site. That is the most important part. Social bookmarking site can drive traffic to your site. If people bookmark your post and vote for it, so it will show up in searches, okay, and lead to traffic to your site, obviously. So that is the best. Voting, I told you, it increases. And if they bookmark, so it will appear more and more. Besides sharing your own post on social bookmarking profile, you also want other to bookmark your content also. So to make this easy for users, you can add social bookmarking button to your blog whenever you are creating. So readers can bookmark your content with the click of a button. Whenever they want, they can come back. Because of this, traffic increases and more people can see it. Last one is the SEO. Okay. The search engine often lists results from social bookmarking sites also. You can find it. Just click and search. Below you'll find it. So when a site is bookmarked on a social bookmarking site, a link is made and indexed by search engines. So this earns credibility with search engines because huge people are visiting them. So content that is voted for and bookmarked a lot by users on social bookmarking sites tend to show up higher in search engine results. We can go and check with the I told examples. You can go, you can find those out, which is highest rated that will be available over there. So this is regarding today's class. If you have any doubt, you can ask.